Go for it.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how AI ready is your organization. We would love to demonstrate this Fire Insights tool with Rackspace where you can develop self-service AI and GenAI applications. So let's get started quickly here. So as the user logs in, they can configure all the different connections with the GCP and all the different configurations with the data lake, like say Google Cloud Storage and all the different compute with the Dataproc, as well as your favorite Gemini and other cloud LLM providers. And you have access to lots of pre-packaged data science solutions in all different vertical domain, as you see here, starting from inventory rebalancing to customer segmentation to retail analytics, campaign analytics, supply chain, and so on and so forth. So let's dive deeper into one specific application where you pull in all your data sets from Google Cloud Storage and BigQuery, and then start defining your project requirements in the wiki of the solution itself. Say once the data sets are pulled in, essentially you start developing the different workflows. The workflows capture the journey of your data, starting from the data connectors here to the data profiling, data preparation, and everything you are doing in a self-serve fashion, meaning you have 500 no-code, low-code nodes that you can leverage to quickly design your solution from data ingestion to ETL to data analysis, data profiling, quality assessment to GenAI and data science. So let's look into how it actually abstracts out the connection with the Dataproc. So all the different workflows that you are launching in the Dataproc cluster, you can see the log over here that it's getting launched from this Fire Insight environment. And as these jobs are running against petabytes of data, so you will be able to visualize your reports as well. Now you can also launch bunch of automations like say AutoML, auto quality assessment on this tool. And let me take you through some of the cool stuff that you can do over here. Like you can develop business applications. So in the business application, what essentially you do, you abstract out the underlying workflows. So you can design your business requirements, like say here you want to segment the customers and predict the churn, for example, and you can visualize all the different insights on the fly as the application actually is launched. And with that, I will actually move to the next section. Yeah, so this is like a view of your analytical app where you can specify, okay, what type of important business attributes you want to pull in different sectors, distributor, what type of model you want to create, whether you want to choose K-means or you want to choose a different type of model. You can even pull in your, select your prediction data set and perform ad hoc analysis over here. And as these analyses are done, you can view your insights in real time. And we'll now look into how you can infuse the generative AI. That's the most exciting part, right? And that's how your enterprise becomes not only AI ready, but GenAI ready. So you can select Gemini AI as your connection that we have already done in the admin console. Here we are selecting a product specification JSON file, which has all the different bunch of JSON configuration. And it is on the fly trying to generate the product description from the JSON using Gemini behind the scene. And you can create your own app store for content synthesis. Now let's look into one insurance provider manual data analysis. So you are uploading your data, you can extract topics, you can extract keywords, and here like we are actually performing on the fly document search, and we are asking certain questions like say what are the things required for claim information filing, and you will get the result in real time over here. Here you go. And you are not limited just by the asking questions. You can translate the data and ask questions on the translated data as well. So with that, let me conclude this session and thank you all for joining. And I hope that you enjoyed it and would further explore with Rackspace and Fire Insight to make your organization AI and GenAI ready. Thank you again.